anywhere you want them to be. And the game store... Oh my god, okay, I mean... Hi, and welcome back to another devlog. This week I had a huge rework on my abilities. Whenever I wanted to activate an ability, it would just fly without doing any swing. So there was no animation part involved. And so this week I started working on actually incorporating the abilities into the animation swing. So that whenever the hero attacks, the weapon would do a physical swing. The cool thing about this is that you can now actually go ahead and cancel your attacks at the right moment just to spawn your next ability, effectively cancelling the wind down animation, which is very cool. I think that leaves a lot of room to a very high skill ceiling. But while doing that, I noticed a problem in my skill tree. I only just designed it last week and I didn't realize that you could hit the ability cap so easily. For example, in this case, I have trained 5 abilities, but I have no control over which ability goes where, and more importantly, I actually exceed the limit of at most 4 abilities on my bar, which is what I set for myself because I'm leaning towards the MOBA type of gameplay. And then I thought, wouldn't it be better to have a system that allows you to choose which ability goes where? There were a few things that I had to keep in mind though. Number 1, I still wanted to be able to click on the abilities so I can level them up. Number 2, I needed a way to drag the abilities on top of the bar and then release so I can place them in a certain slot. And the solution I came up with was that if the player would hold the mouse just long enough by clicking in the ability and then he would start to drag away from the ability, at some point at a certain distance the skill would appear and be locked to the mouse. And if you then drag the skill into the slot, you can equip it anywhere you want them to be. And the game store... Oh my god, okay, I mean... Oh god, okay, it's fucked up in the game too. Why? After I was done with that, I noticed another problem. Using abilities in my game is very tedious. If you think about it, every unit having their own abilities feels like an MMORPG, but you're not controlling one character, you're actually controlling all of them. And I'm making a tower defense game and not an MMORPG. So the solution I came up with, and that was very early in the beginning, was a tactics menu. I'm inspired by Dragon Age Origins, and the tactics menu is something in the game that lets you help automate your party. And so I thought I would do the same thing but in my game. So I created a system that basically lets you choose which target you want to target and on which condition you want to target that target and which ability you want to use on that target based on the condition. Okay. Can follow me along? Yeah. And that didn't go well. No one was using it and no one could understand what it does. And it's broken, actually. But I actually came up with the most ingenious idea possible. Target priority on abilities. And then all the abilities, they happen by themselves. Fuck! Wait, that's correct. Wait, it's correct. Save. Oh, kaput! I missed. One more time. Kaput! Oh fuck, I missed again. Dude! Kaput! I'm gonna die. Gonna die! Does it work? Ah! Huh?
You just implemented a realistic Cakez aiming level.
Shut the fuck up. I don't know where he's shooting at. I don't know where he's shooting at. Use the ability. Use it, baby. Oh, we just used an ability on our own. See that? Hot code reloading? Yes, my man. Hot sumo, 100%. Oh. And that little change was huge. Because now, all you have to do is you go into your ability tree. You're like, okay, bro, I want to have this ability. And then, oh, what do I want to target? Let's say I'm going to target the first one. And then this ability, you're going to target the weak. Okay, cool. And then for the healer, okay, I have a healing ability. I only have this ability right now. So let's just target the weak. Or maybe I want to target the closest one. Why the closest? Because now I can show you. I can show you why the closest. And also, I don't know why there's campsite in there. Don't ask. In this scenario, the healer is going to pick, obviously this one is the weakest target. But, this ability right here, the healing circle, is an AoE ability. And I want to cast that ability on my closest target so that I reach most of the units inside of it. I can now go ahead and place most of my units around him, making sure that they all get healed by the healing circle. If I were to just place the healing circle around the pirate, I'm not gonna be able to heal my healer as well as all of the other units. So it's not a perfect system, but it's 1,000 times better than before. And so in order to do that, I made the first iteration was a separate menu that you then access through your character page. But I realized very early on that this was not the play. So you would literally train an ability, put it on the bar, close the menu, go to the other menu, and then select the target priority, and then go back to the skill tree. And so instead, I would just make it inside the skill tree, like a small pop-up. There's one thing though, it is potentially possible to train an ability or untrain an ability while the game is running. So I still have to fix that. And that is mostly everything I did this week. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, if you like what I do, consider tuning into my Twitch. And if you don't, then don't. Otherwise, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.